Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. But first things first, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing the lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow pow. You can't see him, but they there. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button for girl. Please excuse this glare. See it? That's the light of Jesus shining on me. But listen, Ibotta, look, I'm not necessarily homeschooled right now. They got me in detention, but at least I'm in a school, right? I need 15 offers for $3. I'm not sure if we're gonna hit that, but we're gonna see what we could do. I know there was something I wanted to mention to y'all, but as of right now, I can't even remember what it is. I can't think of what it is, but I'm pretty sure when I stop recording, it'll come to my head. And if it does, then I'll just pin a comment for you guys. So with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got anything to do, keep on watching.
All right. So yeah. The deal that just keeps on coming and we don't need, but we do it anyway because we're trying to hit a bonus, right? I haven't really decided. I probably will go ahead and just do Walmart as well. On the Airwick Advance, price at $3.98, getting back 4 and I bought a limit of 3. Making this a 2-cent money maker. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed a set of 3 really quick for Walmart rewards. I still keep getting questions about Walmart rewards. I'll link a video. It's always linked at the end. But I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of them. I activated the offer within the Walmart app. And then when I go up front, I just, I usually scan the QR code on the register. And then it gives you the option afterwards. It gives you the option if you want to print a receipt or if you want an e-receipt, just click print. So we don't have to put a coin in first anymore, at least not at self-checkout. And then I already got the $12, which is right there. So now I'm going to do my next transaction, which is just going to be Ibotta offers. And then I'll be able to roll that 12 back into more offers. And so, yeah. Glade, if I need extra offers, I'll probably go ahead and grab this deal. It's on the Glade Odor Fighting Mist, price at $2.38. Getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, bringing that down to 88 cents each with a limit of 3. Okay, really quick, I just noticed the Palmolive's on rollback. It's not that much of a reduction, but it's a reduction. They're on rollback for $2.50, getting back $1.25 on Ibotta, makes them $1.25 each. Okay, I guess apparently our store hasn't got the memo that we need to get the Fabuloso Light yet, and so they haven't gotten it yet. Anyhow, it's priced at $4.47. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying what? You end up paying $8.94 out of pocket, getting back 5 on Swagbucks, and then $1.12 for each on checkout 51, bringing them down to only 85 cents. All right. So next up is the per sale. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal again. It is priced at $5.44. I'll be grabbing a total of 2 of them. I did find some $2 peelies. I'm gonna grab a couple of those. And that's gonna bring that total down to paying $6.88 out of pocket, getting back $2 for each on Ibotta. There's also $1.50 for buying 2 on inbox dollars as well, bringing those down to 69 cents each. I do have an offer on Fetch Reward that's spend 30, get back 3. So this next deal is on the Beech Nut meats. They're priced at $2.28. I still have OTC offers that I want to use today. Making this absolutely free. We also have 50 cents back on Ibotta, so I make it a 50-cent moneymaker. I'm going to see if I can grab all of mine on one transaction. Because the offer on Ibotta is a limit of 5. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. So the razors pop back up on Ibotta. I do still have $4 coupons from last month that I'm going to use. So we're going to be grabbing, for the offer it's either the Skin Timid or the Hydro Silk. So it's one or the other. We're grabbing the Skin Timid because they're cheaper at $6.27, using this $4 purple right here. Hopefully it works for me. Bringing the total down to $2.27, getting back 3 on Ibotta, makes it a 73-cent moneymaker with a limit of 2. So I'll let you know if it works out. We're also going to be grabbing the Extreme as well, priced at $6.78, using the same $4 coupon. I'm trying to remember if that coupon didn't work in self-checkout or not. I'm going to try self-checkout first, though. And then we'll use the $4 coupon. Hopefully it works. We'll pay $2.78, getting back 3. It'll make it a 22-cent moneymaker with a limit of 2. Next up is the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. It's priced at $3.98. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on inbox dollars as well, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. You know, I haven't tried the printable to see if it will work for this or not, and I totally forgot to print it this morning. And so next up is the Colgate Total. It's on the gum protection. It's priced at $5.96, and for this we have $2 back on Ibotta. There's also $2 on the sister apps as well. Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, Tada, Easy Bucks, bringing this down to 96 cents. I'm sorry, 196. Not the greatest deal, but if it's something that you need, then it might be a great deal for you. But for me, it's a deal that's gonna stay on the shelf with the rest of the stuff. All right, so next up is the Axe. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal. I mentioned it in my last video. It's priced at $4.97, and for this, we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. That total is gonna come to $9.94. We'll be getting back $2.50 for each one I bought, plus $2.50 bonus. There's also a 10-cent any offer that's also working with this, bringing these down to $1.17 each. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. Now, I didn't go to the one store that banned me in self-checkout. I have been there maybe 2 or 3 times since. It's really close, y'all. It's like across the street from the gym. So when I have to go there in the morning, it's just easier for me. I'm not going to drive to a whole nother store if I really don't have to, and especially if I don't have to go to self-checkout. And usually when I'm there at 6 o'clock, self-checkout ain't even open anyways. So I do still go there. I just didn't go there today. I did 3 different transactions. And when I'm doing multiple transactions, I'd rather go to self-checkout. Let me just check out myself, okay? Let me just work myself, okay? I know I'm not getting paid, but let me just do this myself. And so I went to another store. Now with the razors, I only got 1 of each because I did try self-checkout and I did remember that it did not scan last time, and it's still not scanning. It only scans with a regular cashier. Well, I'm assuming. I didn't go to one today. But the cashier there over there, she was really cool. She looked at my coupons and she limited me to 1. I think she may have gotten confused with it being 2 different razors, and she let me use 2 coupons, even though technically it was the same 2 coupons. And so she did put them through for me, which was really cool. I wanted 2 of each, but let me show you my receipt real quick so you can see that she did put them through for me in self-checkout. So we did 1 of each. The other thing, the Purcell Pillies, those scan, and then with the beech nut. So Walmart's system, their new system, at least in my area, it's a limit of 4 light coupons. It's just per their system, all right? And so I only used 4 of the beech nut OTCs, even though I had like 5. And so with that, I did use all 4 on 1 transaction. I have told you guys this before, that you can do multiple OTCs on 1 transaction. As you can see, it took off $3 3 times. And then the last one, it took off 12 cents, which would have just been the balance. So it just still made them all free, which was cool. Now, I wouldn't know how it would work if you were using OTCs that had BOGOs. I assume it would still be able to work, but I've never tried, OTCs that have multiple items that you have to buy. I've just used the ones for single items. And again, it does work all on 1 transaction. And with those OTCs, basically you click the link. If I remember, I'll put the link in the description if I can find, if it's still available. You click the link, you pick your store. I always say screenshot the barcode, because if you don't go into click the link and screenshot the barcode, then if it ends, then you can no longer access that link. So if you have it scanned, then you can always scan it before it expires. And so that's what I always say. Always screenshot your link, your barcode. Purcell, I was going to submit that to inbox dollars for $1.50 for 2, but I realized on Swagbucks I was getting back $2.50. I did that last time, but I thought that maybe it wouldn't be available there, so I didn't even check. And so I checked it before I did inbox dollars, and I went ahead and submitted for $2.50 there. So it made it a little bit cheaper, which was really cool, because y'all know I love me some Purcell. And other than that, yeah, that's basically it. So everything you see here retails $70.85. We had $21.12 in coupons. It brought that out of pocket down to $49.73. My sales tax was $4.79, and then getting back $36.60 from Ibotta. Walmart was $12, Swagbucks is $2.50, and inbox dollars was $2, making this a $3.37 moneymaker, which is really, really cool. I mean, it's not a lot, but hey, I'm not complaining, because guess what? I got me some Purcell. Do I care about these Air X? No, I don't. But I got me some Purcell, got me some X, I got me some
I don't really need razors. Your girl got a lifetime. I got razors, enough razors for my offspring's offspring. Okay, I don't need no razors, but if they money maker, we're gonna get them. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much. I want to see butterflies in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.